Konnichiwa, hope everyone's good. Time for an ADC update. So I'll just get cracking with the knacking. Got a few new items. Start off with the old stuff first though. I'm also wearing waterproof pants over my cargo pants. So I've got to put my hands under my waterproof pants to get into the pockets of the cargo pants. So you might have to bear with us. But anyway, bandana, just the head for survival, or it might be the survival ink. It's triangular bandana. Anyway, got a hank, which is the Japanese Wave by Evergreen Hanks with the microfiber bit. And next, so my keys haven't changed at all since the last video. If it wants to focus. So I've still got the Oolite, the Phoenix NW20, the Uncle Bill's Slither Grippers, and the Exotac Nano Striker, and the other one I've just got the Troll Cross. So the flashlight is still a Phoenix TK11 TAC, which is awesome light. I think it's 1600 lumens. And my knife, still carrying it in the homemade pouch. You can guess it's a Higo Nakomi. Going back to this one, one of my favourites, real thick blade, sharp enough to shave with. Should have taken everything out of my pockets before I started the video, but I didn't. Anyway, right in the rain notepad. And that brings me to my first new item, and everything after this is new. Got my brand new pen, which is the Phoenix, not the Phoenix. It's the Zebra FX MD, which has a nice satisfying little click to it. All stainless steel. It's real thick as well, oops. Real thick steel. It's like 3mm thick. And it's got the factory insert in it. It's pretty much identical to the Fisher Space Pen. I tried to put a Fisher Space Pen in here and it actually fit. Only difference is the Fisher has a brass bit that crimps onto the ink, which is too thick to get through the hole there, so I suppose I could widen the hole out a little bit. I've got some Jewelers files, but I don't think I'll bother. I'll just keep it with a stock insert. Works perfectly fine. So the watch is new, if I can get it off. Casio Edifice, very simple basic one. It's just got the date, window and time, and that's it. And it's got a rotating bezel, certain time things, and that's the watch. And another new thing, my wallet. I decided the Badger is a little too small, so I got myself a brand new Maxpedition. I think it's the micro wallet. And before I show my ID and whatnot, so I already had one of these before. It was in black, can't find it, so I bought this one. I like the colour of this one a bit better than the black one anyway. But in here I've just got the little smiley pocket face, smiley paper clip, and I've got the lucky coin, the tops, snap knife with a seal needle on it, and in the back I've just got a little boo-boo kit, just some band-aids, antiseptic wipe, and water purification tablets, and emergency lifeboat matches so I don't get caught out again. It's bad enough getting caught out in that blizzard the last time without having any tea or coffee. And that is my on-person EDC. So just so I don't have to edit this video, I'll turn this around, and here is my EDC bag, which I already showed in the last video. And just like every other EDC bag, the contents of this is going to change depending on what I'm doing. It's mostly just going for walks now, but in here I got the Swiss M80 water bottle with the aluminium cup, and in here just a Ziploc bag in case I want to put some gloves. I want to use gloves because I don't want to be one of those cunts that just throws things on the ground after you're done with them. Place is full of used masks and gloves and stuff lying around. And then in here got some hand sanitizer and some gloves, unused obviously. And then in here I got the portable battery pack, or battery charger I mean. Got the headband for my flashlight. Got the Armitech ELF C2, also one of my favourites. Some antiviral wipes for wiping down the mask. I also got a brand new mask as well. I was going to get the so what we call it now, the Vespro, not Vespro, I forgot what you call it. Anyway, spare battery for the flashlight. A lighter. And a piece of cord, and I've got some electrical tape and some Gorilla tape. Steve's carrying around a bigger roll. And then in here is my brand new mask. It was the Techno Vespro is the one I was thinking of getting, but I settled on this one instead. So it's GVS Ellipse, P3 rated, silicone, heavy duty. It's meant for industrial and commercial stuff, so it might be a little overkill, but with all of the new viruses and whatnot that's coming out, you don't know. P3 rated, like I say, so it'll filter out anything. It's starting to snow again. Nice. And that is not yet first aid. And I've also got a dry bag. And for first aid, I've just got a Israeli bandage, and that's it. But we're not done yet. There's one more thing in here. Concealed carry compartment. I have schmog or schmag, however you want to say it, and that's all in the Maxpedition. I think it's the Fat Boy Versapack, I think. But that is my EDC for this month. Have a little walk around and get home. So thanks for watching. Auf Wiedersehen. Der war Matne. And I forgot what Russian is for goodbye, so bye bye.